Curried Mustard Lentil Stew with Fenugreek Leaves. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the veg recipes and one of the most different of the lentil recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mustard recipes and one of the most nutritious of the fenugreek leaf recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make mustard lentil stew with fenugreek leaves. The ingredients are 100 grams of lentil soaked in water for around 3 to 4 hours. Around 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 5 to 6 shallots, 2 to 3 red chillies, 25 grams of garlic, 1 spoon of mustard paste, 1 spoon of mixture of spices, and around 50 grams of fenugreek leaves or methi. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots, salt, garlic, put in the ginger, salt, the ginger with the shallot. Now put in the garlic, salt, of the garlic, put in the fenugreek leaves, salt the fenugreek leaves thoroughly with the garlic, ginger and the shallots. Put in the tomato pieces. The rest of the mixture. Now put in the mustard paste. Mix the mustard paste with the rest of the mixture. Now put in the mixture of spices with powdered it. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix. Now put in salt leaves, mix thoroughly. The rest thoroughly mix. Put in the red chillies, mix, pour in 150 to 200 ml of water, mix thoroughly, and let the mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Now the mustard lentil stew with fenugreek leaves is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final curried mustard lentil stew with fenugreek leaves. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the lentil recipes and one of the most different of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fenugreek recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mustard recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.